Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In this video, I explain to you how to create a GPO and apply it to domain users. This policy changes the TCP port on the remote desktop, as the remote desktop allows you to connect to the remote computer on the network through a specific port dedicated to this purpose. You can connect through the IP address, but we will learn how to change this port through group policy. Let's get started quickly. Click on Tools menu from the top of the Server Manager dashboard page. And from the menu, click Group Policy Management. Then create new GPO on the organizational unit you want. Right-click on the organizational unit, and select Create a GPO in this domain, and link it here. And in the new GPO window, enter an appropriate name for this policy, so that the GPO is easy to access at any time. Then click the OK button. Then right-click on GPO that was just created, and select Edit. This will open the Group Policy Management Editor window, where this policy will be edited to change the remote desktop port. Then on the left side, click to expand Computer Configuration. Then expand Preferences, and then Windows Settings. Then right-click on Registry, and from there select New, then click on Registry Item. And from the new Registry Properties window, I will configure the remote desktop settings port. Now make the action to update, and leave it on HK local machine. Then click to select Key Path, and select the path that appears in front of you on the screen, and I will leave you the path in the video description. And in the value name field, enter an appropriate name, such as port number. And in value type, click on the drop-down list and select regd word. And in the value data field, enter the port for your remote desktop. For example, enter 3333. And under base, select the decimal option, then click on the Apply button and then OK. With these steps, the configuration of the GPO that will change the remote desktop port on the client devices is complete. And now I will open one of the client computers to make sure that the remote desktop is open and know its IP address. Indeed, the remote desktop is allowed and open on this computer. We will now know the IP address of this computer so that we can later verify that the port has been changed when you log into it through the remote desktop. Finally, open the command prompt window to update the group policy so that the GPO is updated on this computer. Or you can restart the computer to apply the group policy updates to it. Then back to the server, and open the remote desktop, and enter the IP address of the computer to which the policy was applied. Type the IP address only without entering the new TCP port. Then make a connection, and wait, it does not actually connect, because the default TCP port has been changed. But if you make a connection again but after adding the new TCP port number, you will notice that the client has been connected immediately after adding the new TCP port. I think it is working successfully now. Now you can change the TCP port on all computers joined to the domain easily, to protect computers from unwanted attacks. Thank you for watching. I hope the video is useful to you. I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.